Part 1. The Mindset Shift, from Entertainment to Education. In today's world, where entertainment is easily accessible and social media platforms dominate our time, the majority of young people unknowingly waste hours on activities that provide temporary pleasure but no long-term value. However, successful people think differently. They understand that knowledge is the most powerful tool for personal growth and success. The secret to transforming your life lies in shifting your mindset from consuming entertainment to investing in self-education. As Jim Rohn, one of the greatest motivational speakers, once said, "Formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune." This means that while schools and colleges provide basic knowledge, true success comes from continuous learning and self-improvement outside the classroom. Successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, and Bill Gates are living examples of this principle. Elon Musk, despite having no formal education in rocket science, built SpaceX by reading books and learning on his own. Warren Buffett dedicates 80% of his day to reading and learning, while Bill Gates reads 50 books a year to expand his knowledge. The key to success lies in changing your daily habits and replacing entertainment with education. Instead of wasting hours on Netflix, YouTube, or social media, start reading self-help books, listening to motivational podcasts, and learning new skills that will help you grow mentally and financially. When you start dedicating at least 1 hour every day to learning, you begin to upgrade your mindset, expand your knowledge, and improve your decision-making skills. This small habit will eventually give you an unfair advantage over others who are stuck in the loop of entertainment and procrastination. Remember, what you do daily shapes your future, and those who invest their time in learning today will be the leaders of tomorrow. Part 2. The Habit of Reading, Your Brain's Ultimate Gym. In the journey of self-education, reading is the most powerful tool to transform your mind and life. Every successful entrepreneur, billionaire, and leader has one thing in common: they are all passionate readers. Reading not only expands your knowledge but also improves your thinking, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. "Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body," said Joseph Addison, and the statement perfectly reflects the power of reading in personal growth. When you read daily, you are feeding your mind with new ideas, experiences, and wisdom that others have gained over years of struggle and success. Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, learned rocket science not by attending any university but by reading hundreds of books on physics and engineering. Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in the world, reads 500 pages a day and believes that, the more you learn, the more you earn. Similarly, Bill Gates reads around 50 books a year, which equals 1 book per week. The reason behind their success is simple: they understood that knowledge is power, and reading is the fastest way to gain it. When you make reading a daily habit, you start developing a growth mindset. It helps you think like successful people, boosts your creativity, and enhances your ability to make better decisions in life. Most young people today waste hours on social media and entertainment, while successful individuals spend their time reading books that improve their mindset, skills, and financial knowledge. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, and Atomic Habits by James Clear have changed the lives of millions of people. These books teach financial intelligence, mindset building, and personal growth strategies that are not taught in schools or colleges. Reading also helps in overcoming self-doubt, fear, and negative thinking. When you read success stories and motivational books, you start believing in your own potential. It opens your mind to new opportunities and possibilities that you never thought existed. Moreover, reading improves your focus, concentration, and mental clarity, which are essential for success in any field. To develop the habit of reading, start small. Dedicate just 20 to 30 minutes every day to reading personal development books. Choose books that align with your goals and interests. For example, if you want to become financially successful, read books on money management and business strategies. If you want to improve your mindset, read self-help and psychology books. Keep a notebook to write down important lessons and ideas you learn from each book. This will help you retain the knowledge and apply it in real life. The most successful people in the world are those who never stop learning, and reading is the best way to continue learning for life. In just 1 year, if you read 1 book every month, you will have read 12 life-changing books that can completely transform your mindset and career. Imagine the level of knowledge and confidence you will gain if you continue this habit for the next 5 years or even 10 years. In conclusion, reading is not just a habit, it's a success tool that every young person must adopt. If you want to achieve financial freedom, build your own business, or become a leader in your field, start reading today. Books hold the secrets of success that no school or college will ever teach you. Remember, a reader today, a leader tomorrow. Part 3. Learn from failures and experiences. One of the most powerful ways to educate yourself daily is by learning from failures and experiences. While books and courses provide knowledge, real-life experiences and failures teach you the most valuable lessons that no classroom ever will. The world's most successful entrepreneurs and leaders didn't achieve success overnight. They failed, learned, adapted, and kept moving forward. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently, said Henry Ford, the founder of Ford Motors. This mindset of seeing failure as a learning opportunity is what separates successful people from those who give up too soon. In our society, failure is often seen as something negative and embarrassing. But in reality, every failure carries a lesson that helps you grow stronger, smarter, and more experienced. Look at some of the most successful people in the world. Elon Musk failed multiple times before successfully launching SpaceX. Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, was rejected from over 30 jobs, including KFC, before building one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company, Apple, before coming back stronger and revolutionizing the tech industry. These people didn't let failures break them. Instead, they used those failures as a stepping stone to success. The biggest reason why most young people never achieve success is because they fear failure. They avoid taking risks, trying new things, and stepping out of their comfort zones. But what they don't realize is that every failure brings valuable experience and knowledge that cannot be learned from books. When you fail, you discover what works and what doesn't. You understand your weaknesses and get the chance to improve yourself. Most importantly, failure teaches you resilience, patience, and the power of persistence. Successful people like Thomas Edison, who failed 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb, never saw failure as the end. He said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This mindset of continuous learning from mistakes is what makes ordinary people extraordinary. To start learning from failures, you need to change your perspective. Instead of feeling disappointed when things go wrong, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Reflect on your mistakes and identify what went wrong. Was it a lack of preparation, a wrong strategy, or fear of taking action? When you start analyzing your failures, you gain clarity and avoid repeating the same mistakes in the future. Another powerful way to learn from experiences is by surrounding yourself with mentors and successful people who have already faced the challenges you are going through. A smart person learns from his own mistakes, but a truly wise person learns from the mistakes of others, said Otto von Bismarck. Listening to the stories of successful entrepreneurs, reading biographies, and watching interviews can help you understand how they handled failures and turned them into success. In addition, embrace challenges and step out of your comfort zone. Most young people are afraid to try new things because they fear failure. But growth only happens when you take risks and face new challenges. Start that business you've been dreaming of, learn a new skill, or work on your personal brand. Even if you fail in the beginning, you will gain valuable experience that will help you succeed in the future. In conclusion, failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. The more you fail, the more you learn and grow. Stop fearing failure and start seeing it as an opportunity to improve yourself. Every successful person you admire today once faced rejection, criticism, and failures. But they never gave up. They learned, adapted, and kept moving forward. As Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, said, "I failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." Part 4. Surround yourself with successful and positive people. One of the most powerful ways to educate yourself daily and achieve success is by surrounding yourself with positive, ambitious, and successful people. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset, habits, and future. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, said Jim Rohn, a legendary motivational speaker. This means that the people you hang out with either push you towards success or pull you towards failure. If you want to change your life, change your circle first. Most young people today spend time with friends who waste hours on social media, gossip, complain about life, and lack ambition. This type of negative environment slowly destroys your mindset and limits your growth. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with successful entrepreneurs, hardworking individuals, and positive thinkers, you naturally start adopting their habits, mindset, and work ethic. You begin to think big, set goals, and take action towards your dreams. Look at successful people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg. They didn't build billion-dollar companies by hanging out with lazy and negative people. They built strong connections with other successful entrepreneurs, learned from them, and grew their mindset. Similarly, Bill Gates and Warren Buffett became close friends and constantly exchanged ideas on business, investments, and personal growth. Their friendship helped both of them achieve massive success in their respective fields. The reason why being in the right environment is so powerful is that your mindset is influenced by the energy and mindset of those around you. If you are surrounded by people who are focused on personal growth, business, and financial freedom, you will naturally be inspired to do the same. However, if you spend your time with people who waste time on entertainment, partying, and complaining about life, you will also adopt their habits and mindset. The power of networking with successful people. Successful people think differently. They have a growth mindset, take action, and never give up on their dreams. When you start connecting with people who are already achieving success, you gain access to new knowledge, opportunities, and mentorship. These people have already faced the struggles and failures that you are going through. By learning from their experiences, you can avoid mistakes and speed up your success journey. For example, Gary Vaynerchuk, a successful entrepreneur and motivational speaker, often says, if you want to become successful, start hanging out with people who are already where you want to be. When you surround yourself with people who are building businesses, learning new skills, and improving their mindset, you automatically start thinking and acting like them. How to surround yourself with successful people. Join entrepreneur and business communities. Start attending seminars, workshops, and networking events where successful people gather. Platforms like LinkedIn, Clubhouse, and business forums are great places to connect with entrepreneurs and professionals in your field. Follow motivational speakers and business leaders on social media. Stop wasting your time following celebrities and influencers who add no value to your life. Instead, follow people like Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, and Robert Kiyosaki, who constantly share valuable advice on success, mindset, and wealth creation. Find a mentor. A mentor is someone who has already achieved what you are trying to achieve. Learning from their experience can help you avoid unnecessary mistakes and guide you in the right direction. Reach out to successful people in your industry and ask for mentorship or guidance. Leave toxic and negative people behind. Sometimes, your old friends and even family members can be the biggest reason for your lack of progress. If they constantly criticize you, doubt your dreams, or waste your time, cut them off or limit your interaction with them. Protect your energy and focus on your goals. Join mastermind groups. A mastermind group is a community of like-minded individuals who support and motivate each other to achieve success. Being part of such groups helps you stay focused, learn new skills, and overcome challenges together. The law of association. The law of association states that, who you associate with, you become. If you spend time with people who are focused on personal growth, success, and financial freedom, you will naturally adopt their habits and mindset. But if you associate with people who waste time, complain, and have a victim mentality, you will become like them. Real-life examples. Steve Jobs and Bill Gates were not just competitors but also learned from each other and improved their strategies. Elon Musk built connections with top engineers, scientists, and business minds, which helped him create revolutionary companies like Tesla and SpaceX. Kobe Bryant and Michael Jordan spent time together, learning from each other and improving their mindset as world-class athletes. Conclusion. If you truly want to change your life and achieve massive success, surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Stop wasting your time with negative and unmotivated individuals who hold you back. Build connections with successful people, find mentors, and join communities that push you to become the best version of yourself. Remember, show me your friends, and I will show you your future. Part 5. Build high-income skills, the key to financial freedom. In today's world, formal education is no longer enough to achieve success and financial freedom. The reality is that schools and colleges only teach theoretical knowledge, but they don't teach you the skills that can make you financially independent. If you want to become successful and earn more than an average person, you need to focus on building high-income skills. Don't work for money. Work to learn skills that will make you money, said Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Successful people understand that skills are more powerful than degrees. In fact, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Steve Jobs all dropped out of college and focused on developing skills that helped them build billion-dollar companies. What are high-income skills? A high-income skill is a skill that allows you to earn $5,000 to $10,000 or more per month, without depending on a job or employer. These skills are in high demand in today's digital world, and anyone can learn them through self-education and practice. Examples of high-income skills: copywriting, writing sales-driven content that helps businesses make money. Digital marketing, helping businesses grow online through social media and advertising. Graphic designing, creating visuals, logos, and designs for brands. Video editing, editing content for YouTube channels and social media. Software development and coding, building websites and apps. Sales and negotiation skills. Public speaking and communication skills. Why should you focus on high-income skills? Most people work 9 to 5 jobs and earn an average salary because they lack skills that can solve real-world problems. However, successful people focus on learning skills that are in high demand and help businesses grow. When you have a high-income skill, you are not dependent on a job or a boss. You can start freelancing, build your own business, or even work remotely for international clients and earn in dollars. For example, a copywriter can charge $100 to $500 for writing a single sales page. A video editor can earn $500 to $1,000 for editing YouTube videos. A digital marketer can earn thousands of dollars by running Facebook and Instagram ads for businesses. How to start building high-income skills? Choose one skill and master it. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one skill that you're passionate about and has high demand in the market. For example, if you love writing, start learning copywriting. If you are interested in technology, learn coding or web development. Learn from online resources. The best thing about today's world is that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on college degrees. You can learn any skill for free or at a low cost through YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, and other online platforms. For copywriting, watch Dan Lok's copywriting tutorials. For digital marketing, learn from Neil Patel and Gary Vaynerchuk. For video editing, use tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro. Practice daily and build your portfolio. Learning is not enough. You need to practice your skill daily and build a portfolio that shows your work. For example, if you are learning graphic design, start creating designs and upload them on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. If you are learning copywriting, write sample sales pages and publish them on platforms like Medium. Offer your skill as a service. Once you've gained confidence in your skill, start offering your services as a freelancer. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to connect with clients and earn money from your skills. For example, a beginner copywriter can charge $50 for writing a simple blog post, while an experienced copywriter can charge $500 to $1,000 for writing sales. Copy. Keep upgrading your skills and increase your prices. The more you learn and improve your skill, the more you can charge. Successful people never stop learning and upgrading their skills. The power of high-income skills in real life. Iman Gadji, a high school dropout, learned digital marketing and built a multi-million-dollar agency before turning 21. Dan Lok, a self-made millionaire, mastered copywriting and sales skills and now teaches others how to make money online. Alex Hormozi, who built a $100 million business, focused on learning sales and marketing strategies. Why most people fail to build high-income skills? Most young people spend hours scrolling on social media, playing video games, and watching Netflix, while successful people spend hours learning new skills and building their mindset. The harsh truth is, if you are not learning new skills every day, you are already falling behind. Your daily action plan. Choose one high-income skill. Watch YouTube tutorials and online courses. Practice the skill for 2 to 3 hours daily. Build a portfolio of your work. Start freelancing or offering your service online. Keep learning and upgrading your skill. Conclusion. In the modern world, skills are more powerful than degrees. If you want to achieve financial freedom and escape the 9 to 5 job trap, start building high-income skills today. The world's most successful people didn't wait for a college degree to become successful. They educated themselves, developed skills, and started making money on their own. Remember, if you want to earn more, learn more. Your homework. Read The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. Watch How to Build High-Income Skills by Dan Lok on YouTube. Start learning copywriting, digital marketing, or video editing today. Part 6. Develop a powerful morning routine. Win your day before it starts. One of the biggest secrets of successful people is that they control their mornings, which helps them control their entire day. Your morning routine is directly connected to your success, mindset, and productivity. Most young people wake up late, check their phones, scroll on social media, and waste the first few hours of the day. This habit destroys their productivity and keeps them stuck in an average life. On the other hand, successful entrepreneurs, billionaires, and motivational speakers have powerful morning routines that set their minds and energy on the right path for the entire day. Win the morning, win the day, said Robin Sharma, the author of The 5 a.m. Club. Similarly, Tony Robbins, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Tim Cook all follow disciplined morning routines that help them stay focused, creative, and productive throughout the day. Why is a morning routine so important? When you wake up early and follow a productive routine, your mind is in its peak state. Your energy is high, distractions are low, and your brain absorbs knowledge faster. This is the best time to work on your goals, mindset, and personal growth. A powerful morning routine allows you to improve your mindset, increase focus and productivity, develop positive habits, boost self-confidence, stay motivated throughout the day. The morning routine of successful people. 1. Wake up early, between 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. Successful people wake up before the world wakes up. This gives them extra time to work on themselves while others are sleeping. Apple CEO Tim Cook wakes up at 4:30 a.m. Elon Musk starts his day at 5 a.m. Waking up early helps you stay ahead of others and build the discipline that 99% of people lack. 2. Exercise and meditation to control your mind and body. Your mind and body are connected. When you exercise in the morning, you boost your energy, confidence, and focus. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the world's top footballers, starts his day with an intense workout. Tony Robbins, the world's top motivational speaker, practices meditation and breathing exercises to control his mindset. You can do 20 to 30 minutes of exercise, gym, running, or yoga. Meditation to calm your mind. Deep breathing exercises to increase focus. 3. Read books to upgrade your mindset. Reading in the morning helps you feed your mind with powerful knowledge and ideas. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages daily. Even Elon Musk learned rocket science by reading books. Read personal development books like Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Atomic Habits by James Clear, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. 4. Write your goals and plan your day. Successful people don't just live randomly. They plan their day and set clear goals. Grant Cardone, a millionaire entrepreneur, writes his goals twice a day, once in the morning and once before sleeping. Write down your daily goals, your weekly goals, long-term goals. This keeps you focused and productive throughout the day. 5. Stay away from social media in the morning. Most people check their phones and scroll through social media right after waking up. This kills your focus and fills your mind with negative thoughts. Don't check your phone for the first 60 minutes after waking up, says Robin Sharma. Use the first hour of your day for self-education, mindset building, and learning new skills. The perfect morning routine for success. 4:30 a.m. Wake up. 5 a.m. Exercise. 5:30 a.m. Meditation. 6 a.m. Reading self-help books. 6:30 a.m. Writing goals and journaling. 7 a.m. Start working on your high-income skill or business. How a powerful morning routine changed my life. Most successful entrepreneurs, millionaires, and motivational speakers say that changing their morning routine was the turning point in their lives. Robin Sharma's 5 a.m. Club transformed thousands of people's lives. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson wakes up at 4 a.m. and works out to build his unstoppable mindset. Kobe Bryant used to practice basketball at 4 a.m. while others were sleeping. Why most people fail to build a morning routine. The biggest reason why most people fail is lack of discipline and addiction to comfort. When you wake up late and waste your morning on social media, your mind becomes lazy and unmotivated. But when you discipline your mind to wake up early and focus on self-improvement, you start feeling powerful, confident, and unstoppable. Your daily action plan. Wake up at 5 a.m. Exercise and meditate for 30 minutes. Read 20 pages of a personal development book. Write your goals and plan your day. Avoid social media for the first 2 hours. Conclusion. If you want to become successful, start controlling your mornings. Most successful people win the first 2 hours of their day, while others are sleeping or wasting time on social media. Your morning routine will either make you successful or keep you average. The choice is yours. Your homework. Read The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow and follow this routine. Part 7. Invest in self-education. Learn what schools will never teach you. In today's world, self-education is the most powerful tool to achieve success, wealth, and freedom. The reality is that schools and colleges teach you how to work for others, not how to become successful and financially independent. If you truly want to change your life, Start educating yourself daily by learning skills, mindset, and strategies that successful people apply to create wealth and success. As Jim Rohn once said, formal education will make you a living, self-education will make you a fortune. The world's most successful entrepreneurs, like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett, are all self-learners. They didn't rely on traditional education to achieve massive success. Instead, they invested in books, courses, mentors, and practical learning experiences to develop the mindset and skills that schools never taught them. Why is self-education more powerful than college degrees? In school, you are taught to memorize facts and follow a system. But in the real world, success is about solving problems, taking risks, and building skills that help you make money. Look at the facts. Elon Musk learned rocket science by reading books and watching YouTube videos. Steve Jobs dropped out of college and focused on learning design and business strategies. Warren Buffett spends 5 to 6 hours daily reading and studying business strategies. What should you educate yourself about? If you want to become successful and financially free, stop wasting time on useless entertainment and start learning what schools will never teach you. Mindset and personal growth. Learn how successful people think, stay disciplined, and overcome failures. High-income skills. Skills like copywriting, digital marketing, sales, and investing that can help you make $10,000 to $20,000 per month. Financial education. Learn about money management, investing, and building multiple income streams. Read Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Business and entrepreneurship. Learn how to build your own business, personal brand, and online income streams. Communication and public speaking. Develop confidence and communication skills to influence and inspire others. The Daily Self-Education Plan for Success. 1. Read self-development and business books for 1 hour daily. Poor people have big TVs. Rich people have big libraries. Jim Rohn. Most successful entrepreneurs read at least 30 to 50 books per year. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. The 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. The Millionaire Fast Lane by MJ DeMarco. 2. Learn high-income skills through online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera allow you to learn skills like copywriting, digital marketing, graphic designing, video editing, web development. These skills can help you start freelancing and make money online without a degree. 3. Listen to motivational speakers and business podcasts. Your environment shapes your mindset. Start listening to successful people daily. Tony Robbins, Mindset and Success Strategies. Gary Vaynerchuk, Business and Personal Branding. Grant Cardone, Sales and Financial Freedom. 4. Find mentors and learn from successful people. If you want to become a millionaire, start learning from millionaires. Join mastermind groups, business communities, and connect with successful people who can guide you. 5. Learn from failures and real-life experiences. The best education comes from taking action, failing, and learning from your mistakes. Success is the result of good judgment. Good judgment is the result of experience. And experience often comes from bad judgment. Tony Robbins. How self-education transformed successful people's lives. Elon Musk learned coding and rocket science through self-study. Iman Gadji, a high school dropout, built a $10 million digital marketing agency through self-education. Dan Lok, a Chinese immigrant, became a millionaire by mastering high-income skills like copywriting and sales. Why most people fail to educate themselves. Most young people waste their time on watching Netflix, scrolling social media, playing video games, while successful people spend their time on reading books, learning new skills, building businesses. Your daily action plan. Wake up early, read self-help books for 1 hour, learn a high-income skill online for 2 hours, watch business and motivational content on YouTube. Avoid wasting time on useless entertainment. Conclusion. If you want to achieve success, wealth, and freedom, stop depending on school and start educating yourself daily. The world is changing fast, and the people who learn new skills and knowledge daily will dominate the future. Remember, rich people invest in self-education. Poor people invest in entertainment. Your homework. Start reading Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Watch Self-Education is the New Superpower by Dan Lok on YouTube. Start learning a high-income skill on Udemy or Skillshare. Part 8. Surround yourself with winners. Your network is your net worth. One of the biggest secrets of successful people is that they surround themselves with winners, leaders, and people who think big. Your environment and the people you spend time with directly impact your mindset, habits, and success in life. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, said Jim Rohn, one of the greatest motivational speakers of all time. If you spend your time with lazy, negative, and unmotivated people, you will also become lazy and unsuccessful. But if you surround yourself with successful, positive, and growth-minded individuals, your mindset, habits, and success will automatically improve. Why is your environment so important? Your mind is like a sponge. It absorbs the thoughts, habits, and energy of the people around you. If you hang out with people who waste time on social media and video games, you will also develop the same habits. If you spend time with people who are focused on building businesses, learning new skills, and improving themselves, you will also start thinking like a winner. The harsh truth: poor people talk about others. Average people talk about entertainment. Successful people talk about ideas, business, and growth. The power of networking in real life. Elon Musk surrounded himself with engineers and innovators to build Tesla and SpaceX. Jeff Bezos connected with tech experts and investors to build Amazon. Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook by networking with the right team. In fact, most millionaires and billionaires didn't come from rich families. They built powerful networks and learned from mentors who were already successful. Who should you surround yourself with? People who are more successful than you. Learn from people who are already making money and achieving success in the field you want to grow in. People who are disciplined and hardworking. Their energy and work ethic will inspire you to push harder every day. People who think big and have goals. Avoid people with a small mindset. Hang out with people who talk about business, investing, and self-improvement. Mentors and coaches. Find mentors who can guide you, share their experiences, and help you avoid mistakes. How to build a powerful network. Join business and entrepreneur communities. Become part of groups where successful people hang out. Join online communities like The Millionaire Mentor, Iman Gadji's Network, or business groups on Facebook and Discord. Attend seminars, events, and workshops. Go to seminars and networking events where you can meet entrepreneurs, investors, and like-minded people. Cut off negative and toxic friends. Stop wasting time with people who complain, blame others, and have no goals in life. Follow successful people online. Follow Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk, Dan Lok, and Alex Hormozi on YouTube and Instagram. Learn from their mindset and strategies. The harsh truth: if you hang out with 5 broke friends, you will be the 6th. If you hang out with 5 lazy people, you will be the 6th. But if you hang out with 5 successful people, you will be the 6th. The environment of billionaires. Elon Musk spends time with engineers and innovators. Warren Buffett spends time with investors and financial experts. Cristiano Ronaldo surrounds himself with fitness experts and professional coaches. Why most people fail to build a winning network. Most young people spend their time with negative friends who complain and gossip. People who waste time on social media and entertainment. People who are afraid to take risks and chase big dreams. But successful people spend their time learning from mentors, joining business communities, and networking with winners. Your daily action plan. Leave negative and toxic friends. Start joining business and self-improvement communities. Follow successful entrepreneurs and motivational speakers online. Connect with mentors who can guide you. Spend more time learning and growing instead of wasting time on entertainment. Conclusion: if you want to change your life, change your environment first. Start surrounding yourself with winners, successful people, and those who think big. Remember, if you hang out with 5 millionaires, you will be the 6th. Your homework: join a business mastermind group or a self-improvement community today. Follow Grant Cardone, Dan Lok, and Iman Gadji on YouTube and Instagram. Cut off negative and lazy friends who are holding you back. Part 9. Build high-income skills, earn more than a degree holder. In today's world, skills are more powerful than degrees. The people who earn the most money are not those with fancy college degrees, but those who master high-income skills that the market needs. Successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Iman Gadji, Dan Lok, and Gary Vaynerchuk have repeatedly said that learning high-income skills is the fastest way to achieve financial freedom. As Dan Lok once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. What are high-income skills? A high-income skill is a skill that allows you to make $10,000 to $20,000 plus per month without needing a college degree. These skills are in high demand and help you earn money by working as a freelancer, building your own business, or working remotely for global clients. Why high-income skills are the future? In the past, people were told to get good grades, go to college, and find a safe job. But today, the world has changed. The internet has created unlimited opportunities to make money online. The harsh truth: A degree won't make you rich. A 9 to 5 job won't give you financial freedom. But learning high income skills will make you financially independent. Top high income skills you should learn. Copywriting, making money with words. Copywriting is the skill of writing sales pages, ads, and emails that make people buy products. Average income, $5,000 to $20,000 per month. Learn from Dan Lok, Alex Catoni, and Gary Halbert. Digital marketing, helping businesses grow through Facebook ads, Instagram marketing, and YouTube promotions. Average income, $5,000 to $15,000 per month. Learn from Iman Gadji, Neil Patel, and Ty Lopez. Video editing, editing YouTube videos, Reels, and TikToks for content creators and brands. Average income, $4,000 to $10,000 per month. Learn from Think Media and Premier Gal. Website development and coding, building websites, apps, and software for online businesses and startups. Average income, $7,000 to $15,000 per month. Learn from Code with Harry and Free Code Camp. Sales and closing deals, selling high-ticket products and closing deals for businesses. Average income, $8,000 to $20,000 per month. Learn from Grant Cardone and Dan Lok. How to learn high-income skills without college. Step 1. Choose one high-income skill. Focus on one skill and master it. Step 2. Learn from online courses and mentors. Udemy, Skillshare, YouTube, Iman Gadji's agency course, Dan Lok's copywriting course. Step 3. Practice and build a portfolio. Start working on real projects and gain experience. Step 4. Offer your services on freelance platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Step 5. Network and build connections. Join communities of freelancers and entrepreneurs to get more clients. How high-income skills changed my life. Most successful young entrepreneurs became rich by learning high-income skills. Iman Gadji built a $10 million digital marketing agency at age 17. Dan Lok became a millionaire through copywriting and sales. Alex Hormozi made $100 million through sales and marketing skills. Why most people fail to learn high-income skills? They are lazy and want quick money. They waste time on entertainment and social media. They give up after facing small failures. But successful people focus, work hard, and stay consistent for months until they master the skill. Your daily action plan. Pick one high-income skill. Study 2 to 3 hours daily from online courses. Practice and work on real projects. Build a portfolio. Start freelancing and getting clients. Conclusion. If you want to escape the 9 to 5 job trap and achieve financial freedom, start learning high-income skills today. Remember, skills make you money, not degrees. Your homework. Learn copywriting from Dan Lok on YouTube. Join Iman Gadji's digital marketing course. Start freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Part 10. Develop a millionaire mindset. Think like the rich, act like the rich. The mindset you carry plays a massive role in determining your success and financial freedom. Most people believe that achieving wealth comes from working hard or having a college degree, but the reality is that success is 80% mindset and only 20% strategy, as stated by Tony Robbins. The rich think differently from the poor. They focus on growth, learning, and building wealth, while the average person is stuck in survival mode, fearing failure and staying in their comfort zone. To truly succeed in life, you must shift your mindset from that of an employee to that of an entrepreneur and wealth creator. Successful entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Iman Gadji have one thing in common: they think big and take massive risks. They understand that failures are part of the journey and every setback is a learning experience. On the other hand, the poor mindset fears failure and avoids challenges. This is the reason why most people stay stuck in low-income jobs and struggle financially their entire lives. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, said, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." This is the core of the millionaire mindset: learning how to create multiple income streams, invest money, and build assets that generate passive income. One of the most powerful habits of successful people is self-education. While most people stop learning after finishing school, millionaires and successful entrepreneurs invest heavily in personal development. They read books, attend seminars, and surround themselves with other successful people. For example, Warren Buffett spends 80% of his day reading and learning. This habit allows them to gain new knowledge, improve decision-making skills, and stay ahead of the competition. Another key aspect of the millionaire mindset is taking calculated risks. Most people fear losing money, but the rich understand that the biggest risk is not taking any risk, as Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, said. They invest in businesses, stocks, and real estate, knowing that temporary losses are part of the journey to massive wealth. By taking risks and learning from failures, they build financial freedom and escape the 9-to-5 rat race. To develop a millionaire mindset, you must also learn the power of discipline and focus. The average person spends hours on social media, Netflix, and video games, wasting their precious time. Meanwhile, successful people wake up early, work on their goals, and stay productive throughout the day. They control their emotions, avoid distractions, and stay committed to their long-term vision. This level of discipline allows them to achieve extraordinary results in life. Lastly, building a millionaire mindset requires surrounding yourself with winners. As Jim Rohn famously said, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you hang around lazy, negative, and broke people, you will adopt their mindset and habits. But if you network with successful entrepreneurs, investors, and mentors, their mindset and success strategies will influence you. In conclusion, developing a millionaire mindset is the foundation of financial success. It's not about working harder but thinking smarter. By changing your mindset, learning high-income skills, taking risks, and staying disciplined, you can achieve massive success and financial freedom. Remember, rich people think big. Poor people think small, as T. Harv Eker, author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, said. So, start thinking like the rich and take massive action toward your dreams.